Good morning. Today I am going to talk about Rhombo Cube. Now I know when I spell the word Rhombo Cube, you will say, sir, what is that Rhombo Cube? This is the terminology framed by me. Actually, what I mean to say by Rhombo Cube is a cube made out of rhombus. What I mean to say by Rhombo Cube. If you see this figure carefully, you can see here black colored rhombus are there and white colored. Why I am using the word Rhombo Cube? If you observe this figure carefully, you can see, you will feel the first impression that you get is, sir, this is a set of cubes. Yes, if you say it is set of cubes, I do agree with you that it is set of cubes. But if you observe carefully, you can see here clearly that black colored rhombus are there, white colored rhombus, even little bit of light black colored rhombus are there. Observe carefully now how they are kept in a definite pattern, and when these patterns are kept like this, you can get that you will get a Rhombo cube. Dimensional figure has a two-dimensional base. Now the base for this cube is rhombus, and that's why I have preferred to call it as Rhombo cube. I can show you a few different Rhombo cubes that our students have prepared. Here is another Rhombo cubes which is made up of three types of rhombus. You can see here yellow colored rhombus is there, blue colored rhombus is there, and black colored rhombus is there. They are beautifully placed in a definite pattern, and these colored rhombus together constitutes a cube. That's why I am calling it as Rhombo cube. One more best example of a Rhombo cube. A black colored rhombus is there, light orange colored or ash colored rhombus is there, and orange colored rhombus is there. Now again here you can see here these colored rhombus are placed in a definite pattern, and when we place it in this pattern, this two-dimensional rhombus together form a cube, and thus we can call it as a Rhombo cube. Red colored rhombus is there in between, and again light pink colored rhombus is there, a little bit of dark pink colored rhombus is there. Now they are placed together in a specific pattern so as to form a Rhombo cube. So Rhombo cube is the best example of two-dimensional figures are put together to form a three-dimensional figure. Dear children, just try to find out such patterns wherein we can go for a combination of two-dimensional figures to form a three-dimensional figure. Thus we can conclude that the Rhombo cube model is not just a static representation, but it is a dynamic tool that can bring abstract mathematical ideas to life, fostering essential skills and align with progressive vision of NEP 2020. The 21st century skills here is the very act of constructing this model involves problem solving. You need to understand the relationship between different shapes, how they fit together in three dimensions, and overcome challenges in aligning and joining them. It fosters spatial reasoning and also logical thinking. This model of Rhombo cube aligns with NEP because a hands-on activity like building this model can make learning maths more enjoyable, which is the key goal of NEP 2020. It is also related with real-world application like architect and engineering and also art.